Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Joneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. Despite the weather not being ideal, we had the chance to make several stops in Beimen before heading back north. Beimen is the coastal area in northwest Tainan, rich in mangroves and salt history, dating back to the Daoguang period. Beimen's warm monsoon climate and ample sunshine have supported its agricultural heritage for centuries, and under Japanese rule, it flourished as a salt industry hub, benefiting from its prime location along shipping routes. Though times have changed, Beimen has preserved its charm, inviting visitors to explore its scenic coastlines and historic salt fields. Our first stop was the lively salt fields, just in time for the Salt Festival on October 26 and 27. Beimen's salt-making story is fascinating and deeply rooted in local traditions. Around 200 years ago, settlers from China built Yingling Temple, seeking blessings for peace and prosperity. By 1976, the community came together to rebuild it, renaming it Xingnan Temple in 1981. Outside the temple, we saw salt baskets offered in prayer, and there was even a salt hill where you can purchase blessed salt for $200 per bag. Beimen is also showcasing a traveling exhibition by the Taiwan Tourist Bureau in honor of their anniversary. Titled Glory Taiwan, Sustainable Tourists Connecting the World, the exhibition highlights significant milestones in Taiwan's tourism journey. Jingzijiao, Taiwan's oldest salt field, are especially beautiful at sunset. The weather wasn't perfect today, so I have included some stunning shots from our previous visits, capturing the beauty of this place. Jingzijiao preserves the traditional salt-making techniques with tine-lined ponds that produce beautifully clear salt. Managed by the Yunjianan Scenic Area, it's a wonderful family spot and a way to experience Taiwan's salt heritage. Salt making along Taiwan's coast dates back centuries. Early settlers initially boiled seawater or traded salt with merchants from mainland China. In 1648, the Dutch East India Company tried salt granulating but had limited success, making Taiwan dependent on imports. Under Japanese rule in 1895, Taiwan's salt industry transformed, with the Taiwan Salt Company, founded in 1919, to meet rising demand. Originally, the salt fields were located in Fengshan, but were relocated twice due to flooding. Since their establishment in the north of Tainan in 1818 by salt farmers, they have remained in the same location. After exploring the salt fields, we stopped at the Beimen Visitor Center, a fun discovery. Located in the old warehouses of the former Beimen salt washing factory, the visitor center now features colorful art and murals. The Beimen Salt Refinery, built in 1936 during Japanese rule, played a vital role in Taiwan's salt production, once producing up to 30,000 metric tons annually. After the war, it was taken over by the Taiwan Provincial Administrative Office and began producing iodized salt in 1964. Although the refinery ceased operation in 1998, it was designed a historical site in 2003, preserving the only wooden structure from Taiwan's Japanese-era salt refineries. Today, it stands as a cultural landmark, giving visitors insight into Taiwan's salt-making heritage and the importance of iodized salt. There are several spots in Tainan related to the salt industry, many of which are located in Nanping. There you can visit the Salt Museum, which offers salt in 366 different colors, allowing you to find the color of your birthday salt. Tainan always has something new to reveal, no matter how many times I visit. That wraps up today's adventure. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye!